Song and Grease, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Unit 4. Man. 1A.
Eh.
1B.
Ah.
1C.
Eh. Ah.
2A.
X, axe. Pen, pan. Men, man. Send, and. Gem, jam. Bread, brad.
2B.
Axe. X. Axe.
Pen, pan, pan. Pen, pen.
Men. Man.
Sand, send. Send, sand. Sand, sand.
Gem. Jam.
Brad, bread. Bread, brad. Bread.
2C.
Put the X here. Put the axe here. Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pan? Look at the men. Anne. I'm sending the table. I'm sanding the table. It's a lovely gem. It's a lovely jam. We had bread for lunch. We had Brad for lunch.
2F. 1.
I've bought a new pan.
2.
Did you see the men?
3.
Did you say and?
4.
I like the fatter cheese.
5.
Don't pet the dog.
6.
These are bedclothes.
3B. Aaron's recorded messages. Hi, this is Aaron. Leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Hi Aaron, this is I guess you're having a fabulous holiday in Amsterdam. Well, I have to tell you that after you left yesterday, there was this smelly anchovy and salad sandwich you left on your desk, Aaron. As you can imagine, Mrs. Allen wasn't very happy about that. She says you create a bad atmosphere in the Ajax travel agency. And when you come back, you have to keep your desk spick and span. That's what she said, Aaron. Spick and span. Send me a text message. Bye.
Hi, this is Aaron. Leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Good morning, Aaron. This is Anthony. Sorry, I have to contact you about the maps. Mrs. Allen can't of Africa. She said you had it on Saturday. Call me back.
Hi, this is Aaron. Leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Just telling you to watch out for Mrs. Allen when you get back. She says you've been absent from work every Wednesday and every second Saturday, and it's getting to be a bit of a bad habit. Anyway, have a fantastic holiday.
Hi, this is Aaron. Leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Hi, this is Annabelle again. Anthony said he left a message on your message bank about that map and you haven't got back. There's another matter now. Apparently, just before you left for Amsterdam, you actually booked a passenger to San Salvador with 3 animals. 1 anteater, 1 antelope, and 1 alligator. You're mad, Aaron. Mrs. Allen's really angry about that. Mrs. Allen's really angry about that. Phone back, Aaron, or send a text message with your landline number.
Hi, this is Aaron. Leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Aaron, this is Anthony. Sorry, I have to let you know what's happened at the travel agency. Well, the computer has crashed and you hadn't done the backup on any of the advertising programs. Mrs. Allen's very angry. You absolutely have to phone back or send a message with your fax number.
Hi, this is Aaron. Leave and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Janet here. Anthony said to tell you the best advertising contracts have been cancelled. Mrs. Allen said it was your bad management. Now, Aaron, you just have to call back.
Hi, this is Aaron. Leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Aaron, Janet here. You don't have to call back. In fact, you don't have to come back, matter. Anthony says, Mrs. Allen says, you're sacked.
Hi, this is Aaron. Leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Well, I've heard you're sacked. I'm very sad about that, Aaron, and I'm going to miss chatting with you in the canteen. I know you're having a fabulous holiday in Amsterdam, but don't forget to contact me when you get back. Bye, Aaron. Bye, Aaron.